Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a powerful way to make money online in 2024. It's all about creating stunning designs using an AI tool called K.com, and then selling them on platforms like Etsy. Even if you have no design experience, this method can work for you. What is K.com? K.com is a free AI-powered design tool that lets you create professional-looking designs in seconds. You can make logos, posters, t-shirts, social media covers, and more. It's super user-friendly, with tons of templates and features to help you bring your ideas to life. Getting started with K.com. First, you'll need to head over to K.com and create a free account. We'll have a link in the description below. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean and easy-to-use dashboard. Here, you can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. Designing with K.com. Let's walk through creating a t-shirt design. We'll pick a t-shirt template and customize it. K.com offers advanced features like text editing, magic recoloring, and access to thousands of pre-made design elements. You can even use the AI image generation tool to create unique graphics based on simple prompts. Once your design is ready, K.com lets you create mock-ups to showcase your work. You can place your design on t-shirts, mugs, wall art, and more. This helps potential customers visualize how your design would look in real life. Now it's time to sell. We'll head over to Etsy, a popular marketplace for handmade and creative goods. With Etsy, you can set up a shop and list your t-shirt designs, mugs, phone cases, or anything else you create with K.com. We'll show you an example of someone who's successfully selling t-shirts on Etsy using designs created with K.com. This demonstrates the potential for earning income through this method. If you're serious about design, you can upgrade to K.com S Pro plan for a monthly fee. But here's a special bonus. Use my code CASHPRO at checkout to get 50% off the Pro plan. We'll have the code in the description as well. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video inspired you to try out K.com and explore the possibilities of making money online with your creativity. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful content. Leave a comment below and let me know what kind of designs you'd like to create with K.com! Also, check out the link in the description for the K.com website and my exclusive discount code. Let's get designing!